You love to see it. Our favorite movie critic from across the pond made his way the whole way here just to see you guys.
Get the fuck out of my way!
Critical drinker.
Numbers. Thank you guys for coming. We're excited to chat with you all today and answer some questions and see where the panel goes. So you guys made it all possible. Thank you.
Dramatic narrative. The voice of unknown. They got the mood lighting for us. They must have heard about Jeremy's proclivities.
No, but it is a very interesting time right now.
At least it was at, on our parking garage.
Was it on the side?
No, don't let this jackwagon in here. Oh my gosh, people, come on. Nope.
No. He's gonna run into you. Wow. Oh my god, jeez. What an ass. Just let him in.
No, I'm not going to.
Oh my gosh, sweetie.
Oh, oh, oh! Oh! This guy can't drive. Someone did. It's still a speed limit. Gotta go though. You can't just stop. Gotta pull over. Dude, what are you doing? You guys see this? Holy shit. This guy's playing with the devil. Oh my god. This dude's ready to die. We about witness death. He said the slower I go, the better I drive. Alright, let's see, is this guy gonna be the victim? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this guy gonna be the victim? Uh-oh. Each person he keeps getting closer to. Uh-oh, he's in the middle of the road again. Oh, Jesus. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, we're gonna be making a turn down here, so. But for now, I'm staying behind this motherfucker. I ain't passing him off, getting sideswiped. Look at him. Oh, he's about to hit the side. I'm gonna see this. Dude, he's ready to hit that side. Uh-oh. He's gonna come in our lane again. Oh yeah, I gotta go to Sheets anyway. This motherfucker drunk. Dude, it's only 9:17 in the morning. I hope he pulls in the sheets. Fucking moron. What are you doing? Fucking retard. Oh, oh, oh! 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 You fucked up. Oh! She drunk. Ma'am, you drinking? You drinking? I got you on video. You almost hit about 6. Oh, geez, that is bad. Do you have a scraper? Here, I got you. I didn't realize that was your I really thought you were drinking. I'm sorry. I'm glad to know you're not drinking. How's the car though? Is it okay?
Look at the wheels.
It's a beautiful car. The only thing I think you did was hit this a little bit. You really lucked out. You lucked. This you scraped a tiny bit, but minor. No, you're good. You lucked out. This Mustang's strong. Does that look better? Hit your blades. Is it better now? I can hit it a little harder if you need me. A little bit in the middle. And I'm sorry, I did not mean to come off rude. I've seen some drunk drivers do some dumb things. I'm glad you're not drinking. That's all I'm happy about. There you go. Get the other side a little more. Let it de-thaw for a little. Oh, no. Don't worry. Hey, I just put it toward the tire. Make sure everything's good.
But does the tire look okay?
It looks okay. God bless you.
Sure?
Don't worry.